Hello.
Hi.
Hi. How
How
are
are
you?
you? I'm fine.
I'm very fine too. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba.
Yeah.
Okay, what a beautiful name. Sahiba.
Thank you.
Okay. Wow, I'm
Yeah.
just writing it down because it's so beautiful. Whoa. So, what's up? What's going on with you today? What are you doing today?
I'm just preparing for exam.
I'm just preparing for exam.
Okay. Can you tell me what kind of an exam you're going to take?
We have the final exam.
We have the final exams.
I see. I see.
Yeah.
Is there something that you want to study today? Something special or just speak?
Just speaking.
Just speaking.
Okay, very nice. Very good. Let's speak about something you are interested in. Let's talk about, something that interests you. What is your passion? What do you like to do?
I like to be a public speaker.
I like to be a public speaker.
Oh, that's wonderful. You have a beautiful voice for that. The sound of your voice. Okay. And what would you like to speak about publicly? Many things?
Yes, many things.
Yes, many things.
Okay. Example. Do you like to talk about cooking? About making things?
Yes.
Do you know?
I also.
Yes? Do you like to cook?
Yeah.
Can you describe to me how you make rice? Or is that difficult? Because I know it's difficult. Can you tell me how to make rice? What do you do first? First,
We wash the rice. We wash the rice.
We wash the rice.
First, so let's learn about the words, the words about order. First, we wash the rice. Okay. Now, second, what do we do?
We put
Second.
the water
We put the water
in a vessel.
Okay, hang on a sec. We boil water. Do you make the water hot? Okay.
No.
No. Okay. Go ahead.
And
then put the washed rice inside.
Okay.
And then
Go ahead.
Close the
vessel.
The vessel.
Yeah.
You're using this word vessel. I'm curious. What do you mean by vessel? Do you mean the pot? The pot?
Yes, pot.
Yes.
Cooker.
Okay.
Cooker.
Okay.
Type of cooker.
Yes, very good. That's okay. But when you're talking about cooking, it's better to use pot, the word pot. Okay? It's more it's more relevant to cooking. All right, very nice. So first we wash the rice and then do you boil the water?
Yeah.
Boil the water, like make it hot. And how then we cook the rice for how long? For how long? How long?
Until
Until
it is not
hard.
Keeping the water away.
Hard?
Keeping the water outside.
Okay. Oh, I understand what you mean. Okay. We cook it until the water is gone. Okay. Very good. Whoa. And after the rice is ready, how do you serve it? How do you put it on the plate? Serve. the rice. Now I'm going to teach you a word. This is a word where we put a lot of food for people. So it's called a platter. We serve the rice, we say. We serve the rice on a platter. So that's a really big plate. And when we say we're going to give you food, we serve the rice or serve the food. Very nice. Very nice. Well, I hope you have a wonderful exam. I know you will. You'll do very well. What about grammar, English grammar?
I learned tenses.
I learned tenses,
Mm-hmm.
parts of speech.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
And do you know how we make verbs to the past tense?
First tense number, second one.
Today I go to school. Okay. Right? How do we say that for yesterday? Yesterday I
went
Good.
to school.
Yesterday I went to school. So that verb changes. That's called an irregular verb. It's not regular. So there are many irregular ones, not normal ones. So let's do one more. Speak. A verb is a word that makes an action. Speak, eat, walk, run. Anything with an action is called a verb. So today I speak to my teacher. Okay. Yesterday what? I spoke to my teacher. Okay, very good. So today I speak. Yesterday I spoke. So,
I spoke.
Yes, very good. Let's do one more. Okay. Today I buy chicken.
Yesterday I bought chicken.
Very good. Yes. Good. That's good. So you know some irregular verbs. That's wonderful. Let's talk about regular verbs, the ones that we add ed to, the ones that we simply add ed. Okay? So like work. I work today. Today I work. But yesterday I
worked.
Okay. And we're going to be cut off in a minute. There is a pronunciation of past tense regular verbs. You actually make a T sound. Worked. Yes. It's not the spelling.
Worked.
Yeah. Again?
Worked.
Yes. Very good. Very nice. Well, I'm sure you'll do very well on your exam. You have a good teacher beside you, and you have a great knowledge of English. So today I work at home. Okay. And please say for yesterday, please say it.
Yesterday I went to school.
Okay. All right. Okay. And what did you do at school yesterday? Did you study?
I revised the subjects.
Oh, very good. You devised subjects?
Revised.
All right, very nice. That was great. I devised subjects. Beautiful. All right. We only have 10 seconds left. I don't want to be cut off like this. So you are learning English grammar very well. Please, if